Bakit ba kami nag-issue ng resolution pursuant to Law 6735 na invalidated by the Supreme Court to support a people's initiative? Para itong law school Attorney Mandig, ito si Attorney Mandig from Cagayan de Oro, Professor of Law din ito. Mga estudyante natin na maraming tanong, pinaparecite ng professor nila. There's no law. The law has been deemed insufficient to support a people's initiative. Okay. Ang nagagamit kasi ang mga EO pagtanggap kasi ng papeles na may signature, meron kagad silang ginagawa, binibilang nila yung mga signature. Bakit? That's official. I remind them that is official time.